In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over an essential oil diffuser. Check this out, everybody. I've already been using it here, and the oil that I recommend is the Laguna Moon Essential Oil Set. This is the gift set. That thing is absolutely amazing. And let's just kind of like go over this thing. So I got it in right here. There's several versions of this, but I went with the forest version. I think there's like a deer and some butterflies and all that. Let me show you how this thing works. So really, you're just going to pull this off. All that is a cover, by the way. So you see that's a really cool looking cover. You see the air outlet right here. You're going to pull this off. You can see I've already used a little bit of water down there. The diffuser works by heating that up and then mistifying it. So what I'm going to do, the cord basically just runs like this right here. I'm going to turn it over and show you how the cord goes. Just goes like that, and it's elevated up by these little feet. Let me put some water in it, and then let's get this thing fired up, and I'll show you what it looks like while it's running. Okay, so I filled it up, and one thing you guys want to remember, always fill it right to the max line. Do not go over that fill line. Now what I'm going to do is get me a little essential oil. Let's get the Laguna Moon Essential Oil. This is the rosemary. Get it just like that. Put a couple drops in there. Here we go. I think that's good enough. You don't need a lot with this oil. But that's a very high quality oil, everybody. Look at this pack. Is that not awesome? Eucalyptus, cinnamon, lavender, lemon. There's all kinds in here. I'll leave a link for that pack right there. Now, this thing has a hole right there. Goes in just like that. Take this one, slide that over like that. Now, let's plug it in, line it up. Now, when you turn this thing on, there's a button right here. See how it's green? So the green is going to be continuous. Now, when the light's on, see how that's an always on light? If I want to go always, I can go through the light modes. And then there's one that rotates out every 7 seconds. But then here's the thing I really want to show y'all. See how, that smells so good. You see how it's just continuously going like this. So what this is, when it's on green, is a continuous all the way coming out. And then if you want to go the red, what's this? See the red light? Now what it's going to do is it goes 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 30 seconds on. That gives you 12 hours of continuous use. So that one will be kind of intermittent, off and on. And that's how that one works. And then with the lights, like I said, there's a rotating feature. Then you can just go to an always on feature. I put mine into an always on bright, and I run it on the green. Just like that. That's how I run mine. Everybody, I've been so impressed by this diffuser. This is one of the better ones I found at a super affordable cost. And they come in all types of different patterns if you want to kind of cater to your pattern. But yeah, I recommend this. Everybody, that's all I got on the Essential Oil Diffuser and the Laguna Moon gift pack. Recommend these. Really recommend these to use with this. So yeah, there it is, everybody. See y'all in the next video.